Hey there, cosmic explorers! Have you ever tried wrapping your head around just how massive space voids really are, those sprawling, empty zones that make the universe feel like a giant ghost town? Well, hold on to your seats, because their size is about to blow your mind in ways you never imagined. Welcome back to VoidVentures, your cosmic headquarters for diving into the wildest mysteries of space. Today, we're zooming in on the jaw-dropping scale of these voids, stretching across distances so vast they dwarf everything we know. Picture this, voids so huge they could swallow galaxies whole and still have room to spare. What does this insane size tell us about the universe? It's a cosmic riddle packed with epic surprises. Ready to explore the void's mind-boggling dimensions? Let's dive into the abyss. So, how big are space voids? Let's start with the basics. These aren't little potholes in the cosmic road. Space voids are colossal gaps in the universe's web, stretching hundreds of millions of light-years across. A light-year's the distance light travels in a year, about 6 trillion miles, so multiply that by hundreds of millions, and you're talking a scale that's downright bonkers. To put it in perspective, our Milky Way galaxy is a measly 100,000 light-years wide. That means you could cram thousands of Milky Ways into just one void and still have space left over. It's like comparing a pebble to a mountain range, except this mountain's floating in the cosmos. Take the Boötes Void, one of the biggest bad boys out there. Discovered in 1981, it spans 330 million light-years, big enough to hold over 2,000 Milky Ways end to end. But here's the kicker, it's got just 60 galaxies inside, or a space that size should have thousands. It's like finding a near-empty stadium in the middle of a galactic Super Bowl. Then there's the Eridanus Supervoid, possibly stretching up to 1 billion light-years across. That's so massive it could swallow entire galaxy clusters, like the Virgo cluster near us, and still yawn for more. These aren't just big, they're cosmic titans. Why do they get so huge? It's all about the universe's growth spurt. After the Big Bang, matter clumped into galaxies, leaving voids as the empty spots. Over time, dark energy, the mysterious force speeding up expansion, stretched these gaps wider and wider. Think of it like inflating a balloon. The more it blows up, the bigger the spaces between the dots get. Scientists use surveys, like the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, to measure these monsters, tracking how their size hints at dark energy strength. The bigger the void, the more it tells us about how fast the universe is ballooning. But size isn't just a number, it's a cosmic clue. Voids this massive show us how the universe balances its stuff. Galaxies hog the edges, while emptiness rules the middle. It's a wild dance of creation and expansion, and these giants are the stage where it all plays out. So, space voids are cosmic giants, stretching millions, even billions of light-years, dwarfing galaxies like they're cosmic crumbs. From the Boötes Void to the Eridanus Supervoid, their insane size unlocks secrets of the universe's expansion and dark energy's eerie push. Here at VoidVentures, we're hooked on these cosmic wonders. Stick with us as we chase more mind-blowing mysteries. What's next on this galactic adventure? Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to catch every epic twist. Love wrapping your head around space like we do? Share this with your crew, drop your wildest void-size guesses in the comments, and let's geek out together. Thanks for joining us on this stellar ride. See you soon in the cosmic abyss, explorers.